Creative expression. In this film, we shall see children between the ages of 4 and 5 using different kinds of art material. While watching the film, please pay special attention to the following. By reminding the children of their ongoing project, the teacher gives them some focus. Asking children to answer a question before they choose what they want to play with helps organize transition between activities. Note how children interact with one another and with their teachers, and also observe how they help each other. See how the children use their imagination while using various kinds of material. To create a stress-free atmosphere where children can express themselves freely, the teacher engages them in conversations and plays with them instead of merely instructing them. Since there is plenty of material available, children can choose what they want to use. Children have complete freedom to choose whatever they want to create and how they want to create it. Creative expression. We shall now see how the Balwadi children express themselves through the medium of art and how the teacher guides them in the process. The art material is set in 2 different places for easy access. Materials like maida, matchsticks, beads, seeds, bindis, paints, cardboard boxes, colored papers and scissors are available.
Today we shall talk a little about media. Where do we watch the news?
TV.
The TV. And where do we read the news?
In the papers.
The papers. Now tell me, what is it that we hold near our ear and talk into? Mobile. That's absolutely right. So the mobile, the newspapers, TV, radio, the computer, what are all these? They are all media of communication. So what are we going to do today? All the materials that you see on these tables like maida, boxes, seeds, matchsticks, etc. We will make models of different media of communication using these. Alright, first, can you tell me which medium begins with P? Just raise your hands and then answer.
Paper.
Paper. Now tell me, when we want to speak with each other or someone from a far off place somewhere, what do we place to our ear and speak into? It starts with M.
Mobile.
Mobile. Now these 2 children will go to play.
To start them off, the teacher gave the children some idea about using the art material. She reminded them that media was the topic of their ongoing project.
How about making a drawing on the TV screen?
We need remote.
I'm going to make a nice drawing on this TV screen.
But what do we need to make it?
Paper.
Ah, a girl is dancing in the TV. She is watching the news.
Tape.
You can also do it.
And what do we need to turn the TV on?
Remote.
Yes. So will someone help me, please?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Somebody please make a remote.
Here, teacher. I made a switch.
Oh, should I put the switch here? Thank you.
This is spending too much.
And is our remote ready yet?
Yes, teacher. I've made it.
Have you? Will you give it some nice color so our remote would look nicer? Don't you think so?
I'm also making a remote. Should I make a big switch?
Which company would be my TV from?
Teacher, here it is.
Thank you. So which company would be my TV from?
Is this how you cut it, teacher? Did you cut it like this?
Yes. I cut it in the shape of a square.
Teacher,
There.
can I use this?
What's that?
This.
Fevicol. Oh yes, sure.
Fevicol.
You have to make it.
Here, on this side. Here.
I told you earlier, we put it up on the roof. On the roof.
right.
The TV is inside the house.
TV.
But what's outside the house?
But where is the house?
It's the antenna.
Antenna.
Make an antenna.
The teacher actively participates in the activities with the children, so children become stress-free and are able to concentrate on the activity. The teacher motivates them to think for themselves. She helps them find solutions to problems and encourages them to help others. She deliberately uses new words like antenna and remote, which are related to the topic of the ongoing project. We have learned the following things from this film. Before beginning an activity, it is important for the teacher to give children a focus. The instructions should be short and clear. The teacher should actively participate in the children's activities so that the children feel emotionally secure. When new words related to the activity are explained along with actual experiences, children get a better grasp of their meaning and usage.